Hello YouTube, it's Veronica here, and I have a Michaels spring and summer clearance haul. Everything is 80% off. It was 80% last time I went there. It should be less than that by now. So we really went back to get some more of these wood pieces. I got 3 of these. You see it has a piece of burlap here that you can hang this on, because we like to paint. We have our own sipping paints. So this was originally US $14.99 with 80% off. It was $3. Was this the one? Yes, $3. And that was 3 of these. I already had one, but we needed some more. And then I got this lovely pineapple wood piece. You see it has the burlap here for you to hang it. It's like it's kind of rimmed. And this one was original $19.99 in the US. So this one was $4. Yes, it was $4. And then we have this lovely circle piece. This one actually didn't have a price on it. And it has the little burlap you can hang it on too. I think she charged us $3 for it. Because the pineapple, she has 1 pineapple. She has 3 of those. Then she has the blackwood metal. Or she might have charged us for it. Because I don't see extra. And this was another piece. The wood with the black frame. This one was originally $14.99, so it was $3. And you see it has the metal, and it has the metal for you to hang it on. Okay, and then I got this bucket to use as storage in my closet room. It looks very tropical. They had a tablecloth that matched this. It would be cute for like a party or cookout. I guess you could probably use this as like put some ice or something and put drinks or something in it. But it was originally $24.99 and it was $5. I'm going to use it for storage in my closet room. The other thing that was in the spring summer section was these battery operated LED lights, LED wire lights. These have like a bottle with a corkscrew. These were $14.99, so they were $3 each. And we got 3 of those. Now, this was in the regular clearance section, which was this Krylon outdoor paints in this beautiful deep purplish color. Then I got this other spray paint. This is Wisteria from Master Design, and it's this purple. And both of these were $5, which was really good. I got this Krylon snap and spray because I do have a Krylon spray I want to use on something. So this was $1.99, so I figured, what the heck, it might not even work. There was plenty of them over there in the clearance section. And I got a really nice pair of scissors, Fiskars. These are used for cork, burlap, cardboard, and more. Original $27.99. These were $10. These were in the regular section. I know these scissors can be really pricey because I used to work in the craft section. Remember, I told y'all, and they were really, really expensive. So I got to keep those away from my kids. And then we got these alphabet stencils. These were regular. These were just in the section by the front. These stencils. They were $6.49. They had lots of different stencils right in that section, right at the front. And then I got 2 grab boxes for $5 a piece. I assume they have the spring, summer clearance stuff in there. And I don't assume it's going to have nothing that great. Not like other grab boxes. No. So I'm opening it with you. I could kind of see that it was paper in here. I was like, okay, but the paper is $5, so that kind of pays for it. My wife's like, girl, you don't need no more damn paper, girl. Okay. The first two things I see are useful. Paintbrushes, because we like to paint. Black Takalon 4-piece paint set, and these are little palette cups that we can put our paint in. Yes, I see paper. I don't like this paper because it's like graduation paper, class of 2022. Excuse me. So it's like, I'll show you guys. This is some bullshit. The other one is not graduation paper. All the let me tell you something. The cutest papers they was trying to sell, they ain't put them in the red boxes. I saw them. So it has this, which I mean, this will come in handy. I do have like 3 more kids that will graduate 1 year. You could use this on the back, like of a frame. You got this gold paper. Congratulations. This is cute. This right here, 2022, is trash. I did have a daughter that graduated this year. She didn't have this paper. I don't need that. The stars, different colors. Then they got silver. I think that's probably pretty much it. Oh, and then this one with the lines. That's cute. It's not. I mean, these are. They had these on clearance. These books were $5 in the clearance section. I don't know what the hell this is. This card stock is black card stock. I'm assuming they probably charge you $1 for this. It's fine. It's a yard of fabric. Lord Jesus, no last thing I need is fabric. Because I got plenty of that. It's a zipper. I might give this to my wife. She can give it to her mommy next time she sees it. Because I don't need a zipper. And look. And yarn. And some more fabric. So I did see fabric on clearance. This is not even like seasonal. They just trying to get rid of shit. I want a seasonal one. All right, let's open this one. I mean, we not mad. We got our, oh my God, I got the graduation box. It's the same graduation paper. Trash. It's like almost the same shit. It's a scam. Gamble, let me take my chance with this. At least I get something for it. Cause okay, I've seen people with these hauls and they always have like, oh my God, man, such reason. My area, I already could tell that it was gonna give trash. Okay, I probably gotta go far out to the nicest areas and give me a Michael's grad box. All right. That was disappointing. All the $5 paper they had, they chose to get rid of. I literally have the same shit. This dumb shit. Yes, you can. Okay, we ain't mad at these because we can use those. Then it's these damn hats. They are so trash. Look. The same fucking yarn. The same fabric. These damn tulips. Who want these tulips? What's this? Okay, so this is Cricut Everyday Iron-On Mesh. It's iron-on, so you can still use this as long as you got an iron, even if you don't have a Cricut. It's gotta be handy. The same ugly ass yellow zipper that nobody needs apparently. And the last thing. It's a paint by number picture. It's 43 pieces. Is it a puzzle? But it includes a wood display hanger. What's the 42 fucking pieces? I don't think it's no 43 piece. I don't think it's no. Let's open this. Let's just kind of figure it out. Let's answer the damn questions. No. Oh, it's the paint. That's what they're counting of. Maybe it's 43. Let's look at it. This is the most interesting shit. Oh my God. Who can paint this shit? She's smiling until she see these numbers. Darling. Like, oh my God. Oh my God. Who could paint it? Oh, she's at us. Okay, and I guess it's counting all these pieces. Then it's going to tell you how to put the shit on the wood. This shit is complicated. No wonder they got rid of this shit. Nobody doing this. But it's not that many different colors. So if you look here, here's the picture. So it kind of got to be the same damn numbers over and over again. So it shouldn't be that hard, right? Where's the damn paint? They ain't get no damn paint. I never seen no paint. Okay, yes, some paint. Oh, it's some brushes. Okay, it's the little nails to put your canvas on. And why so many numbers? Look at her face. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. The clearance haul was absolutely fabulous. This $5 grab bag shit was a sham, a scam. And Michaels should be ashamed of themselves. Why y'all putting this shit in boxes? Y'all could have, because they don't want to get rid of the bags now because they need the bags to put your items in. But, like, it was trash. I should have stayed with one box. Because I got the same shit. But, other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.